Patagonia's famous wind isn't just a breeze. It hits 100 kilometers per hour, but mastering it unlocks the world's most dramatic landscapes. Patagonia spans two countries, but for hikers, it boils down to two main hubs, El Chaltén in Argentina and Torres del Paine in Chile. Both offer world-class trails, but the logistics differ wildly. In El Chaltén, you can walk right from your hotel to the trailhead. The superstar hike here is Laguna de los Tres, bringing you face-to-face with the iconic Mount Fitz Roy. Laguna de los Tres is a 22-kilometer round trip. The first 9 kilometers are moderate, but the final kilometer is a brutal 400-meter climb straight up loose scree. For something flatter but equally stunning, choose the Laguna Torre Trail. It winds through beech forests and ends at a glacial lake with icebergs floating beneath the needle-like Cerro Torre. Crossing into Chile, Torres del Paine requires more planning. The iconic base of the tower's hike is the highlight of the W trek, but can also be done as a grueling day trip. This trek is steeper and often windier than Fitz Roy. You also need to arrange a shuttle or rental car just to reach the trailhead, adding logistical time to your day. Not all Patagonia hiking is vertical. The Perito Moreno glacier boardwalks near El Caliphate offer easy walking with thunderous views of ice calving into the water. The Patagonia layering system is non-negotiable. You need a windproof hard shell and distinct layers, because you might experience sun, snow, and gale force winds in a single hour. Timing is everything. December and January are the warmest, but have the strongest winds. The shoulder months of November and March offer calmer air, though nights are colder. If you want pure hiking with easy logistics, base yourself in El Chaltén. If you want the bucket list granite towers and don't mind the planning, head to Torres del Paine. Respect the wind, pack your layers, and keep exploring.